Hi YouTube, I wanted to just bring to the attention of some people about a new scam that's going on. It's BNB Flash Loan Arbitrage. These are all videos that have popped up in the last week, but this has been a scam that's been going on since May. There's a lot of videos. If you just search BNB Flash Loan, I mean, over the last year there's been hundreds. A few videos have showed that it's a scam, but it seems to be on the increase. And from what I can see, the scammers are making quite a lot of money off this. You're talking videos being put up in the 2 or 3 days. Some of them have made 10, 20 BNB from the scam. So I just wanted to show how exactly they are going and doing this. So we'll pick a video that came up this week, and they all follow pretty much the same format. Now, I've never looked at this one. Genesis block, 32 views one day ago. We'll see what's happening. So the link in the description usually looks pretty much the same, and this is the important bit. They're asking for deposits for gas fees of what, spot 1.5 and spot 3 BNB in order to give you back 500 BNB. It's a scam. It doesn't work. If we look at the source code here, every video seems to have different source code because it's different scammers. And the important thing you have to look at is IPFS import. So why are they importing lines of code via IPFS? Why is it not just in this code? So this is a smart contract they're asking you to run and then fund. It's overly complicated, but if you look at this, there's no wallet address, there's nothing there, nothing looks terribly suspicious, but this specific line of code is hidden. So if you copy this line from the IPFS import, you can view these on Cloudflare. You just need to change the URL to the line of code specific to the scam you're looking at. So here we go. Return to this address. You can disregard all the other code on here. This is the important thing. The money or the BNB you put into the smart contract gets sent to this address. If we go into the Binance scanner, search the address, this is the scammer's wallet. Here we go, Tornado Cash. So they're trying to get their money out safely. They don't want to get banned. They don't want to get blacklisted. So they're taking it out via Tornado Cash, and they'll probably put it into their own personal wallets within an exchange and cash it out. Who knows? If you look at their internal transactions, we can see here, these are all the people who've fallen victim to this. In the last day, 15, 15, 15, or spot 1.5 I should say. You can actually view and see how much this scammer has made. Who knows when they started this? We'll take it right back to the start of the year. Serious amount of transactions here for what is nothing more than a scam. Yeah, they all look to be the same. A few tiny amounts, which I don't know, perhaps people wanted to try this with a smaller amount, see if it actually worked. There we go, 18.56 BNB, all straight to the scammer's wallet. What is that in USD? $11,000. Avoid and report. These videos aren't getting taken down. I've reported it a few times to YouTube, but they don't seem to be paying any attention. So I've just put this out there for your reference and to make sure you guys don't fall down this black hole trying to get 500 BNB for how much are they saying? Spot 15 BNB. It's not real. You're not going to make that from these codes. It doesn't work. It's all a scam. Give it a like if this has helped, and I hope you save some time by viewing this.